Canadian Investors course. Here's an overview. Terms of use and disclaimer. The content of all videos or articles produced by Financial Literacy Learning Center are for educational purposes only. All ideas, opinions, and/or forecasts are for information purposes only and should not be construed as a recommendation to invest, trade, and/or speculate in the markets. We believe in the use of an investment professional before investing. Not all advisors are alike. We can assist you in matching advisors with what you may be looking for. We strongly believe that the majority of investors require assistance from an investment professional. We hope you view our video on the investment industry to fully be aware of all the various licensed investment professional types in Canada, along with their fees and/or compensations, as well as their services. The FLLC is strictly in the education business. Instructors who work in the industry are not to discuss their firms in these videos or articles. FLLC does not sell any investment products. This course complements Canada's Task Force on Financial Literacy that has been launched by Canada's Minister of Finance, James Flaherty, in June 26, 2009. Here's an overview. Introduction. Session 1 covers income investing, which includes short-term. Session 2 covers income investing, which covers medium and long-term investing, preferred shares and dividend tax credit, and how to profit in the bond market. Session 3 covers introduction to equities, which covers capital markets, the stock market, commodities, REITs, and income units. Session 4 includes finding stocks to buy or sell, balance sheet and view, fundamental analysis, which includes ratios, and technical analysis. Session 5 covers the economic cycle, how it relates to stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. The yield curve, a valuable warning signal. Session 6, simple financial plan, which covers your balance sheet, how much do you need, reality and human nature. In Session 7, you have continuation of financial planning. Obviously, it's not comprehensive, but it still covers annuities, term versus universal and whole life, sheltering money, tax strategies. Session 8 covers the investment industry's overview, which covers overview, who are the players, licensing bodies, how do they get paid. Session 9 covers investment industry and fees, which covers investment account fees, investment product fees, guideline to help you choose. Session 10 covers packaged investment product, which covers mutual funds, wrap accounts, ETFs. Session 11 covers packaged investment product continued, which covers guaranteed income products, closed-ended units, structured units. Session 12 covers options. How do options work? Options as a conservative strategy, generating income with options. Session 13 covers investment portfolio construction. What is asset allocation? Constructing a customized investment portfolio. Session 14 covers investment strategies. Is a balanced fund portfolio's risk going forward? Buy and hold investing, and why would you do that? Session 15 covers investment strategies. That also covers rules-based investing, which includes fundamental and technical analysis. Session 16, measurements, that covers the Federal Reserve, long-term indicators to watch. Session 17, psychology, which covers you and your advisor or planner. What is investing all about? Investing involves some level of risk. Risk investing versus guaranteed. Investing helps manage inflation. Investing attempts to grow your money. Investing involves knowledge, patience, and discipline. Investment objectives. The primary objective of any investment is safety of principal, which means how much are you willing to lose? And the second objective is income received for your investment. Growth, want assets to grow. non-guaranteed investments. Liquidity. Is portfolio able to raise cash or switch between investments easily? Knowledge. Know what you're doing and what you own. Access to product. Put yourself in a position so you're not restricted to the investments you need. And what are the risks involved in any kind of investments? The most primary risk is liquidity risk, which means not being able to sell your investment quickly. The perfect example would be for real estate. You can't just press a button to sell your real estate or your house. With stocks, you can. And then you have interest rate risk. The perfect example would be you buy a GIC for 6 months, where you are getting a certain amount of interest rate for 6 months, and then you have the ability to lock in for either another 6 months or a longer period, which is 2 years or 5 years, at the either higher rate or lower rate, versus originally also you could just get it for 5 years, and then you lock in your rate for 5 years. And the third would be inflation risk. Inflation risk affects your lifestyle. Can your portfolio keep up with inflation? And then you have reinvestment risk. Reinvestment risk means money on money. What do you do with the money that comes to you in shape of dividends or interest rate, dividends or interest income? Are you able to invest that income that comes to you at the same rate or lower? Bankruptcy risk, which is very obvious. And the risk range from future and options to common shares, real estate, precious metals, preferred shares, corporate debt, GIC, government bonds, money market. Age can also relate to risk tolerance. Age, for example, 20 to 35, a younger population has higher risk tolerance. And the reason being they have a longer term investment horizon. So if they were to lose a significant amount of money, they have time to recover that amount. However, the older you get, your risk tolerance goes down. 36 to 49 would generally have medium to high risk. Age 50 to 65 will have low to medium. 66 to 70 would have low. And 71 plus will have pretty much no risk. And here's the contact information. You can contact Jerry Gabon, who's a professional engineer and MBA, who has professional engineering and MBA designation. You can contact him at 905-203-1162, and his email address is also mentioned below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.